Also guys, it's me Jimmy. I personally enjoy the Haynes Computer Manual a lot now. After that I bought the Haynes Computer Manual. This is like everything like building a PC, but this is more troubleshooting. You're just going to sit for a computer. Plus I think one time you need to read this book. My review apply for this edition, also the old edition, also the all upcoming edition, because the book is literally that amazing. Haynes Computer Manual is a wonderful book because you will learn a lot of things, to be honest with you, in this book. I mean, again, this was the first early computer and this was the Chinese calculator. We don't know who remember the PDA, personal digital assistant. Wow. So I will give like solid 9.5 out of 10. It is a very high score for a tech book. I mean, motherboard, wow. I mean, this book is something which will seduce you if you are in the PC repair back in the days. I literally love this book with the bottom of my heart, to be honest with you. This book is so much amazing that you really need to read it by yourself. I mean, you really are going to love this book, to be honest with you. Wow. I mean, this book is amazing. I mean, you just can't go wrong with this book. Wow. I mean, you really have to love this book. Wow, I mean, this book is really amazing. I mean, it go into like Windows 95, Windows 98 XP, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows Vista, Windows XP. It did not cover Windows 7. The update edition covered that, but again, the book is literally amazing. Yeah, this book also covered Windows 7. I forgot. It do not cover the Windows after Windows 7. It do not cover. Personally, I love Windows 10 nowadays. So yeah, I miss Windows Vista also. I mean, Windows Vista was an amazing window, to be honest with you. A lot of people make like start crying that it's not a good window. I don't know why they say, literally complaining that it's running slow. Get a better CPU and put more RAM. It will solve the problem. And Linux, Ubuntu, CentOS, Mint OS, I mean, amazing Linux. There are many bazillion distribution of Linux, to be honest with you. I mean, all this book is really very much amazing, and then you are going to love this book a lot at the end of the day. I'm a big fan of Haynes book. I give 9.5 out of 10. This book is a must buy and a must read, and I'm going to donate. If anyone needs this book, only I'm willing to donate to library, like any East African countries, any Africa, West Africa, where students are taught like, I mean any African school which need my books. I'm willing to pay the shipping for it and the ship to you. Please let me know, contact me. Yeah, I will send you the books for free. I will even pay the shipping. I want this book should be stay in a library, in a school library, like in Malawi, Tanzania, where people can benefit from the technology. Subscribe and
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي